Hello everybody. We're going to begin our project of drawing the yin yang symbol. I hope that you read the instructions I attached to the assignment and it'll help explain it better. Okay, so for this project you're going to need a pencil and a blank piece of paper. When you start, you are going to be working in the middle of the page. You're going to start by drawing one large circle, and I know that circles can be a little difficult to draw sometimes, so if you have something around your house that you can use to trace that will take up the large part of the middle of your paper, then you can do that. Or you can freehand it. I'm going to freehand it, and to do this I'm going to move my hand in a circle. I'm not pressing down yet until I think, yeah, that feels right. And then I'm going to lightly place my pencil on the paper. And there you have it. There's my circle. So a key to drawing anything is draw light until you get it right. Because if you draw dark and you put a lot of pressure down and you make a mistake, you're still going to see that mistake no matter how hard you erase. Okay, so after you get this first step done, you are going to add two smaller circles stacked on top of each other in the middle of this big circle. So I'm again going to move my hand and then press down, and then another one right under. So it will look like this. Okay. Now you're going to draw two more circles. These are going to be even smaller, and in the middle of this in the middle of this medium circle and in the middle of this medium circle. Okay, so all right, then you have this. Now it is time to erase. You are going to use your eraser on this line right here. Okay. And now it is gone. Okay, so now you are starting to see the yin yang symbol come forward. Now let's go in and erase this half circle line. And voila. All right, so the yin yang has a dark and a light side. With your pencil, you are going to go in and add your dark side, or add a pattern to your dark side. A pattern is a repetition of either a color, a line, or a shape. So I'm going to do a pattern. And let's just go ahead and divide my dark part of my yin yang into sections. Then I'm going to go in and add some different patterns. Remember, it's repetition of a color, shape, or line. So this section I'm just going to do a repetition of a bunch of different lines that are going different directions. Okay, and maybe here I want to do dots. With yours, I want you to do whatever pattern you would like. Art is all about self-expression and being creative. I don't want a lot of cookie cutter projects. I want to see you be you. I'm just gonna kind of rush this along so you guys don't get too bored. And maybe dots. Okay. Last but not least, let's do some triangles. All right. So now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna make this S-like line a little bit darker. Maybe smudge it some. So we need to bring some of our dark side into the light side because you can't have one without the other. I'm gonna just kind of make up a little pattern here. Okay, and there you have it, your yin yang. Now once you're finished, I want you to turn it over and I want you to give me one example of a yin yang. So in the video you watch, they give you multiple examples. But I want you to come up with your own. And that goes on the back. So whenever you turn this in, whether you show me in a Zoom meeting or whether you submit it by taking a picture of it and emailing it to me or by putting it onto Google Drive, you need to show me the front and the back. Okay. If you have any questions, shoot me a message or ask me in a Zoom meeting coming up. All right. Have a good day.